In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change name on Steam account. Your Steam name, also called your profile name, is the public name your friends and other players see. It's different from your account name, which you use to sign in and cannot be changed. Today, we'll update only the visible profile name, and it takes just a moment. Start by opening Steam on your computer. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to update, since the change applies to whichever account is currently active. Once Steam is open, look to the top right corner of the window. You'll see your current username there. Click that name to open a small menu connected to your profile. In that menu, choose View My Profile. This takes you to your personal profile page where your avatar, background, and current profile name appear. On this page, look for the Edit Profile button and click it. You're now in the Profile Settings area. By default, you should land on the General section. If you're on another tab, switch back to General so you can find the Profile Name field. In the Profile Name box, type the new name you want to use. Keep in mind, this is the name people will see on your profile, in friend lists, and in most social parts of Steam. Pick something clear and recognizable. Avoid sharing personal details, and make sure the name follows Steam's community guidelines so you don't run into any issues. After you've entered your new profile name, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save. Steam will apply the change right away. You should now see your updated name at the top of your profile. If you still see the old name in a friend's list or chat, give it a moment to refresh. Sometimes it can take a short time to update everywhere. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. You can use letters, numbers, and many symbols in your profile name, but special characters or stylized fonts may not display consistently across all devices or games. If consistency matters to you, stick to standard characters. Changing your profile name does not affect your login credentials, your games, or your Steam ID, and you can update your profile name again later if you change your mind. Also, be mindful that past names may be visible to others in some contexts, so choose something you're comfortable using for a while. And that's it. You've successfully changed your name on your Steam account. Thanks for watching and enjoy your updated profile.